6-year 100,000-mile Land Rover Approved zero-deductible warranty until February 6, 2021 and 1.9% for 60 months too. Certified inspection including replacing rear brake pads, alloy wheels refinished and anything technician or reconditioning department recommended was done to prepare this Evoque for you. Loaded Evoque with Pure Plus incorporated, rear seat center armrest with cup holders, Homelink, front LED fog lights, headlight power wash, fixed panoramic roof with power blind $3,000, convenience package incorporated, passive keyless entry, HDD navigation and hard disk drive audio server $2,150, climate comfort package incorporated, heated steering wheel, heated front windshield, heated windshield washer jets, heated front and rear seats and SIRIUS satellite radio and HD radio $750.